Hello friends, this is lesson number 2, ribbon bar. Here I will show you about tabs on ribbon bar. Then I will show you for the context tab which are appears only on demand, only on requirement, and then I will show you the how ribbon bar will behave, how ribbon bar will appear when we shrink our window or when we use Excel on a lower resolution. And then I will move forward to how to open the dialog box, original 97 2003 Excel's dialog box in Office 2016. So first of all, I want to tell you that we have earlier in version of Excel about 97 to 2003, we were have some file, insert, edit, etc. menu. But since Office 2007, Microsoft has introduced ribbon bar in Excel and in all of his Office application. Okay, so first of all, there are home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view. These are the tabs available by default on Microsoft Excel 2016. Okay, there is a file menu also available in Office 2016, but we will discuss this in the whole new chapter. I will record a full chapter about file menu. Just the very next chapter will be about the file menu. Okay, here I will show you the details of home, insert, and this ribbon bar. Okay, at the home menu you will find about the clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, etc. commands. These are the commands which are easily used by us, which are generally used, which are mostly used by us, and these commands will show us, give us the ease of editing our sheet. Okay. Now there are 3 types of icon available on each tab. The first type is a full icon, the big icon, bigger icons. The second is a medium icons, and the third one is a small icons. These icons will shrink when we shrink the size of our Excel workbook, or when we use Microsoft Excel in a lower resolution. For example, I'll just show you this. I am going to shrink this workbook and look to the icons over here. So whenever I will shrink the ribbon, you can check that the merge and center icon will become a small icon. The medium icon will become a small icon. The larger icon become a medium icon. And when we shrink it at certain level, the icons will be turned into such drop down menu like this. Okay, and after some very lower resolution of screen, the ribbon bar will disappear. So first of all, I will just restore this and maximize the ribbon. Now if you think this ribbon is taking too much space on your screen, you can minimize this ribbon also. You have to just press this button to minimize the ribbon. Now you can use more screen size for your work, and whenever you need any ribbon bar, you just click on the tab and it will appear again. Now if you want to re-stick this ribbon bar, then you can click on this pin icon. It will pin the ribbon bar again. So, and now you can check that there are many commands available on this tabs, there are commands about clipboard, fonts, alignment, styles, etc. And then there are commands about inserting table, pivot tables, pictures, shapes, charts, etc. on a insert tab. There are commands about page setup and scale setup and theme setup is available on page layout view tab. On formula tab you will find all the types of formula like text, logical, financial, lookup, mathematical, all the tabs you will find over here. Then if you check the data tab, you will find all the data management related commands in data tab. Here you can check sorting commands, filtering commands, data validation command are available over here. You can check if you want to check spelling and grammar, and you want to check proofing settings over here, or you want to protect your workbook, then you can check the review command over here. And in a view command you can find a command about zoom in, zoom out, and freezing the pans, and all about the viewing commands are available on this view tab. At the home tab, I am checking over that there are font related settings are available here, but I don't found the settings which were found in Excel 2013 or Excel 2003 or Excel 97, like strike through, like superscript, subscript. You can check all these commands are over here, but you don't found that commands here. If you want to found that command, if you want to launch that older dialog box, you can click over here. This icon gives you the facility to launch older dialog box of font settings. Here you will find all the commands related to font settings. Okay, these icons are available whenever it requires. These are not available on all the boxes of all the tabs. Okay, but it is available on whenever it's required. Like if you want to change number setting, you will find over here. So here we have seen ribbon bar, tabs, contact tabs, how to shrink, how ribbon bars behave while we shrink the ribbon, and how to maximize, minimize the ribbon, and how to open a dialog box. In a very next chapter, I will give you the detail about file menu. Till then, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like this video and share this video. Okay, thank you very much.